I want to introduce to you. I am Taifur Rahman, lecturer of English, Manda Ideal College, Hornakundo. Hope you are well. I am also fine. You will follow the online classes. You know, a poem will be set for your theme writing. This poem will be set your textbooks or out of our textbooks. My today's topic, Under the Green Tree, written by William Shakespeare. At first, open your book and notice the poem. Under the green tree, who loves to lie with me, and turns his merry notes unto the sweet bird's throat. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Who doth ambition shun and loves to live, I the sun, seeking the food he eats and pleased with what he gets. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Dear students, the poet invites the people to take rest under the shady trees with him and to sing a song in such a manner so that their voice may mingle with the sweet notes of the birds. The poet repeatedly asked people to come. Here people see no enemies except winter and rough weather. The person who wishes to come here should give up the sky high ambition, and who wants to come here, he should give up high ambition, and he has to be ready to live under the bright sun. The poet again asked, come hither, come hither. Here he will not find any enemies and except rough weather. Dear students, what will be the theme of this poem? Theme. The poem focuses on the happiness and beauty of pastoral life. In contrast to the treasury, to the treasury of city life. The pastoral life is free from all anxieties, problems and देखो तो problems and difficulties. Accept the unpleasantness of weather. It is free from all enmity and petty rivalries. So the theme of the poem, the theme of the poem is the supremacy of nature over courtly and artificial city life. Dear students, our next class will be held on Daffodils by Robert Herrick. Thank you.